My friends, what's up? Long time no seen. So, what I think on the current market is the following. I think that the inflation will go down in the super near future because already we can see that the prices for commodities, for all commodities, is going down. For oil, timber, copper, whatever you want, all these materials, they're going down. So inflation just has to go down as well. And at the same time, you have a Federal Reserve which will spike and is getting more hawkish and will spike the interest rates. So that will also put the economy, will freeze the economy, which is in long term, in short term, is going to be something bad for the economy, because it will freeze the economy and might put economy into recession. But in long term, so like in the next 2 to 3 years, we would probably see a very good situation in terms of inflation, which will go down on the demand side and on the supply side. So on the supply side, you have the supply chain, which will be normalized. And if you will have no more, this COVID BS closing of the economy with the zero policy of China and things like that, and other countries will not, close their economies for COVID reasons, so the supply chain should normalize. They just have no reason to do the opposite, And you have on demand side, you will have the normalization, or demand will go down because the economy will slow down and the interest rates will go up, and you will have basically the demand go down because your money will be like in deposits, and you will not put them in stocks. Of course, there will be a squeeze in PEs. Also, we can see that, or we wait for the earning recession, which I haven't seen yet. So you have Citibank, which reported very well and was up like plus 12%, I believe, on Friday. And of course, you have other companies which, like JP Morgan, I believe, that had a little bit so went down basically, in terms of the recession, but in terms of earnings. But I don't think that in long term that will be something of a big concern, because as soon as inflation goes down, we will see the PEs probably go up, because the interest rates will be halted, and investors look in the next 1 to 2 to 3 years will of course have a basically, we will be in the bull market again. So basically, that's what I think. I think that we're in good situation now to invest. This is my opinion, and I think you should be invested, and we will see a bull. I talk also to some friends well positioned in terms of knowledge of investments and stuff like that, and they're saying that from October you should see the bottom. I think that the bottom is right now. I think that the bottom was 3 months ago basically, or 2 months ago, and we from the bottoms we went up already like 50% for some stocks. Some stocks remain like Coinbase remain at their lows. Coinbase, and there was another stock, Carnival, the cruise lines. I see that also the Delta Airlines had very good results, and I think that cruise companies which are at their lows right now could have a very big run as well, if of course if there's no COVID closings of the economy, you know, be it in cruise lines, be it just like factories or cities, whatever. If this COVID thing is over and the politicians stop playing around with the COVID closings, I think that our economy has no choice but to go up in the near future. So I would be invested in. That's what I do. I'm completely invested, and my opinion only, not financial advice. See you, my friends. Tell me what you think in the comments below.